Abdali Grammar School Primary Mathematics Lesson 2 Subtraction without regrouping Chapter number 1 Lecture number 4 69 Abdali Road Islampura Lahore. Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Today our topic is subtraction. Today we discuss about subtraction without regrouping. Subtraction without regrouping. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking numbers away from another. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking numbers away from another. Student, for solving the questions of subtraction, we have some steps. Our step 1 is write greater number above the other number. Write greater number above the other number. Our second step is subtract each column starting with ones place. Subtract each column starting with ones place. And our third and the last step is the number difference right below the subtract number. The number difference right below the subtract number. The number difference right below the subtract number. Now students, let's start to solve our questions of subtraction by following these steps. Now students, let's start to solve our sum. Our sum is 6677. We subtract 6077 and 345. We student, our greater number is 6677. First of all, we draw a number disk of 7 ones. After that, we draw a number disk of 7 tens. And after that, we draw a number disk of 600. And in the last, student, we draw a number disk of 6000. Now students, our first step is write greater number above the smaller number. So we write our smaller number 345 under 6677. In 345, 5 is at ones place, so we write 5 under 7, that is also at ones place. Now student, we less 5 number disk of ones in 7 number disk of ones. Now start to less number disk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now student, we subtract 5 number disk of ones in 7 number disk. Our remaining number disk are 2. So we write 2 under ones place. Student, when we subtract 5 from 7, we get 2. Now student, it's time for tens. We write 4 under 7. 7 and 4 is at tens place. Student, now we less 4 number disk of tens in 7 tens. When we less 4 number disk of tens in 7 tens, our remaining number disks are counted 1, 2, 3. So when we subtract 4 from 7, we get 3. Now student, in the second number 3 is at 100 place and in the first number 6 is at 100 place. Now student, we less 3 number disk of 100. When we less 3 number disk of 100 from 6 number disk of 100, when we subtract 3 from 6, we get 3. Now student, it's time for 1000. Student, in the number 1, our first number is up to 1000 place and our second number is up to 100 place. So no digit write at 1000 place under 6, so we write 6 as it is. Students, when we subtract 345 from 6677, we get our answer 6332. Our answer is 6332. Now student, let's solve another sum of subtraction. Our sum is 9499 subtract from 4459. Student, our first step is write greater number. Our greater number is 9499. Now student, let's start to write our second number below the first number. Below the greater number, we write our second number, that is 4459. We write starting from the ones. We write the number starting from the ones. Now student, we subtract. First of all, we subtract ones. When we subtract 9 from 9, we get 0. Now we subtract tens. When we subtract 5 from 9, we get 4. Now we subtract 100 place. When we subtract 4 from 4, we get 0. And in the last, when we subtract 4 from 9, we get 5. Students, our answer is 5040. Thanks for watching.